Hey there, Star Wars fans and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the galaxy far, far away with a creative project, Ahsoka-Inspired Lightsabers. Get ready to wield the force of upcycling as we transform everyday materials into lightsabers that capture Ahsoka's iconic style. And the best part? It's a faceless tutorial, so you can focus on crafting without any distractions. Let's ignite our creativity. Materials, a lot can be found in the description. Cardboard tubes or PVC pipes. Blue and white acrylic paint. Paintbrushes. Silver and black markers. Clear tape. Scissors. Step 1. Building the hilt. Start by selecting your cardboard tubes or PVC pipes. These will serve as the hilts of our lightsabers. You can choose different lengths for variety. Step 2. Painting the hilt. Now, grab your blue and white acrylic paint. Paint the hilt in Ahsoka's signature blue and white colors. Let your creativity flow as you add unique designs and patterns. Step 3. Adding details. Using silver and black markers, add details to the hilt to mimic Ahsoka's lightsabers. Don't worry about perfection, imperfections add character. Step 4. Creating the blade. Cut a piece of clear tape and roll it into a cylinder shape. Attach one end to the top of the hilt, creating the base of the lightsaber blade. Step 5. Making the blade glow. Here comes the fun part. Cut and shape old foam or cushion stuffing to fit inside the blade. Paint the foam with blue and white paint to create the glowing blade effect. Step 6. Assembling your lightsaber. Slide the painted foam into the tape cylinder to complete your Ahsoka-inspired lightsaber. And there you have it, a lightsaber worthy of a true Star Wars fan. Step 7. Duel like Ahsoka. Now that you have your Ahsoka-inspired lightsabers, feel the force and engage in epic lightsaber battles just like Ahsoka Tano herself. And that's a wrap, fellow Jedi crafters. Ahsoka-inspired lightsabers that bring a touch of the Star Wars universe into your world. Remember, it's all about letting your imagination soar and infusing your creations with your unique style. If you enjoyed this faceless DIY tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more out of this galaxy crafts. May the crafting force be with you.